Hi there, students. Inept. Inept is an adjective. Ineptness or ineptitude as the noun, and ineptly as the adverb. Okay, if somebody is inept, they have absolutely no skill doing something. So the inept handling of Brexit by the British government made things even worse. Yeah, the inept handling of a situation. Okay, so if somebody is inept, they are not skilled, they're really bad at it, they're not effective. This company is being ineptly managed. Yeah, the ineptitude of management is blighting the company. So somebody who is inept, they are incompetent. They just don't do something well. The referee handled the match ineptly. Okay, so if somebody's inept, they bungle everything, they mess up, they're stupid. Yeah, they're not good at it. Okay, so at school I was always inept at sports. Notice inept at something, or an inept actor, an inept footballer. Yeah. Sometimes I can make rather inept remarks, yeah, or rather inept decisions, yeah, something that lacks good judgment, it's inappropriate, it's silly, yeah. Okay, so but if somebody is inept, they are totally incompetent. Yeah, if you say inept, you're being very strong and saying they're really, really, really bad at this. They're clumsy, it's the wrong person for the job, they are incompetent, they are unsuitable, they just can't do it. Yeah, the inept response of the government. Yeah, he's an inept leader, which means that we're not going to be able to do anything very well. So somebody who's not suitable to the circumstances is inept. Yeah, they are very inappropriate. They do the wrong thing. Yeah, I made some rather inept remarks again. If you're inept, you're not skillful, you're not efficient, you don't have the skill to produce the required results. Yeah, you're clumsy, you're awkward, you're bumbling, and you just do the wrong thing. You're maladroit. Yeah, you are just so inept. Okay, so inept handling of a situation, inept leadership. Yeah, the ineptness of the work that he has done means we're just going to have to do it all again. Yeah, ineptitude, economic ineptitude, social ineptitude. Yeah, so if you suffer from social ineptitude, you say the wrong thing in the wrong situation. You don't know how to act among people. Yeah, political ineptitude. Yeah, I think maybe most of us are governed by particularly inept politicians. Yeah, I think political ineptitude is part of modern government. Yeah, you could have an inept and corrupt moral government. Yeah, yeah, the Sex Pistols, they were inept musicians. They weren't good at playing their musical instruments, but that didn't matter because the marketing was really good. Okay, so inept, bungling, unfit, yeah, inappropriate to an absolutely absurd degree. Yeah, something that's not suitable to the place, the time. Okay, let's see, inept, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, okay, it comes through French from Latin, ineptus, which comes from in, not, and aptus, apt, appropriate, suitable, adapted. Yeah, so if somebody's inept, they are not the right person, they're not suitable, they're not the right person for the job. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Inept, ineptly, ineptitude, ineptness.